Another engineering resin family, Rigid, contains the two glass-filled resins that are purpose-built for high loads and high temperature environments. These two resins are Rigid 4000 and Rigid 10K. The numbers at the end here referring to each material's tensile modulus in megapascals. The enhanced stiffness you get from these materials over Tough 2000 allows you to venture into far more demanding applications. If you need a high temperature resistant fixture to withstand the harsh environment of welding, then take a page out of Red Oak Fabrication's book. They use Rigid 10K weld jigs that have held up for 2,000 and even 3,000 welds, some of which have survived all this plus being dropped. Compared to machining, they saved 90% in costs and weeks of lead time. And if you need injection molds for low to mid-volume production runs of ABS or polypropylene parts, for example, then consider doing what Multiplus did. They printed Rigid 10K molds for use in a master unit die to shoot 100 parts for their customers to complete design validation, ultimately cutting enormous costs and lead times compared to the traditional intensive multi-axis machining process. For successful printing, be mindful of the tracked resin lifetime for you Form 3 and 3L users. Both rigid materials aggressively wear down the tank film such that tanks dedicated to these materials need to be replaced after 75 days of resin exposure or 250 hours of printing, whichever comes first. Also, the glass particles contained within the resin will wash off into the wash bucket of the Form Wash and Wash L. So either consider a new wash bucket for rigid parts, or be sure to hose down non-rigid parts with a squirt bottle of solvent after their wash cycle completes to avoid any of that white residue depositing on surfaces.